This is not just a new car. This is a statement. This is Mercedes-Benz reminding the world who invented luxury and who still controls it. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is here, and it doesn't chase trends, it defines them. While others talk about innovation, the S-Class quietly delivers it, without noise, without drama, just pure authority. The moment you look at it, you understand something important. This car is not designed to impress everyone. It's designed for people who already know what power feels like. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2027 S-Class looks elegant, but spend a few seconds more and you'll notice how aggressive and confident it actually is. The front grille is wider, more dominant, and more sculpted than before. The LED headlights are sharper, smarter, and more expressive. Not flashy, but intelligent. These aren't lights that shout. These are lights that command. Every line on the hood flows with purpose. Nothing is accidental. Mercedes engineers didn't add curves to look sporty. They added them to cut through air silently. The body is longer, lower, and more planted, giving the S-Class a presence that makes traffic move out of the way without a horn. This car doesn't ask for space, it takes it. Move to the side profile and the luxury becomes even more obvious. The proportions are perfect. Long wheelbase, smooth shoulder line, flush door handles, and aerodynamic wheels. Everything screams refinement. This is a car that looks expensive even when it's standing still. Now the rear. The taillights are slim, wide, and beautifully modern. At night, the red LED signature looks sharp, clean, and unmistakably Mercedes. It's aggressive without being loud, premium without trying too hard. Now let's get to performance, because yes, this luxury beast can move. Depending on the variant, the 2027 S-Class offers refined yet powerful engines with mild hybrid technology. Power delivery is smooth, instant, and effortless. You don't feel aggressive acceleration, you feel controlled force. Press the accelerator and the car glides forward without drama. No engine screaming, no vibration, just silent, confident motion. This is power done the Mercedes way. Handling might surprise you. For a car this large, the S-Class feels incredibly stable. Rear wheel steering helps in tight spaces, making city driving easier than expected. On highways, it feels planted, secure, and confident at any speed. You're never fighting the car. The car works with you. Safety has always been the heart of the S-Class, and 2027 takes it even further. Advanced driver assistance systems watch the road constantly. Lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, automatic braking, blind spot monitoring. Everything works seamlessly in the background. The car doesn't interrupt you, it protects you quietly. Even in emergency situations, the S-Class reacts faster than human reflexes. It's not about replacing the driver, it's about supporting them. This car is not built for racing, it's built for arriving calmly, confidently, and safely. Now the big question, who is this car for? The 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is not for people who want attention, it's for people who already have it. CEOs, leaders, decision makers, people who value comfort, silence, and authority over noise and speed. It doesn't try to be sporty, it doesn't try to be trendy, it stays timeless. In a world chasing electric hype and digital chaos, the S-Class remains balanced, intelligent, and refined. It evolves without forgetting what luxury truly means. This is why, generation after generation, the S-Class remains the benchmark. Others compete, Mercedes defines. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just here, it's reminding everyone, luxury still And that's exactly why the S-Class has never needed to prove itself. Because when you sit inside the 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, you don't feel like you're testing a car. You feel like you're stepping into something that has already mastered perfection. Every switch, every screen, every response feels mature, confident, and fully thought through. This car doesn't overwhelm you with features. It presents them quietly, intelligently, and only when you need them. Nothing feels forced, nothing feels experimental. Everything works the way it should, smoothly, silently, effortlessly. And that's rare today. In a market where cars are becoming louder, more aggressive, and more complicated, the S-Class takes the opposite approach. It calms you down. It reduces stress. It makes driving feel natural again. You arrive less tired than when you started, and that alone tells you how advanced this machine really is. Mercedes didn't build the 2027 S-Class to chase younger buyers or internet hype. They built it to set a standard that others will try to reach years from now. Just like always, technologies introduced here will slowly trickle down to every other luxury car on the road. This is where innovation begins. And that's the real power of the S-Class. Not speed, not screens, not numbers on paper, but influence. The ability to quietly shape the future without shouting about it. When you drive the 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, you're not just driving a flagship sedan. You're driving decades of experience, refinement, and leadership. It doesn't beg for attention. It doesn't need approval. It simply moves forward, calmly, confidently, knowing that the rest of the industry is watching and following.